You should drive 55. What are you slowing down for? What the fuck are you doing, man? Why'd you come over here if you have to exit right away? Idiot!
Of a criminal offense is subject to penalties that can often be. This isn't a question.
Wow, nice cutoff up there.
This is a question of whether.
And the car behind me does not stop.
Having statistically preferential success. Thus, natural selection isn't
No stop.
random, it's deterministic. Many
No stop
creations
again
don't
if
admit
that got on
this,
camera.
And as some
Last second merge.
In our body. And so, obviously, none of us have this expertise. We had to reach.
Red light run.
And
Really?
We always do, and I think we always do really well.
Oh, wait, that was... You had a red arrow, dude.
as if knowing that would change what we can already prove to be true, regardless what the explanation is.
Lightning.
Obviously, no aspect...
A little familiar, but I'm not convinced of deja vu just yet. So, but up next,
Red light
we
run.
got somebody else that I was recently.
They spent talking about the patriarchy in this conversation, burnout, and the pressures that are put, particularly on women in our society, that they eventually just had to start shorthanding it to
What the
patriarchy.
Really? You gotta slow down?
That sound effect in my head, like every time I turn on.
Of course, you had to be in the far right lane to turn left there. Good job. Country's proud of you.
A whole bunch of magical little goos. Some of this goo magically evolved, upwards and upwards.
No turn on,
growing
Rod.
more advanced, bigger, stronger, smarter, until it became...
Ah, shit. Looks like there's a clogged storm drain or something around here. Holy shit. I've never seen it flood this much here, ever. You're an asshole. You're an asshole. Nissan driver. It's like the second Nissan driver today, and I released that video today. Weird. Although the first one today was worse.
Forms will effectively design themselves through an unconscious practice of trial and error over several generations. They'll even refine and improve those
I think it was red light run.
literally
Maybe.
without trauma.
And then we'll kind of chat back and forth and take a look at some of these calls. But folks, Talk even is a product of
No
the
turn on red.
501c3 organization dedicated to
as much as I listen to the energy. Does that make sense? Because I feel like we're all just like energy, right? And it's all about the energy that you're putting out. Because you
Really? Why are you gonna stop way back here?
Isn't it if you put out...
Vortex Hope and Why too, just to help get you back to feeling your best, feeling like yourself again.
Wait, what?
So
What?
many of us
Right
are
in front of
feeling
the guy?
stressed, anxious, depressed.
Can you care not to be on my ass, please? Why you gotta be so close? So you're like, come on. I can't make the cars ahead of me go faster. I don't have those superpowers. Yet.
at the FBI offices with the nail gun. and that's why he brought them. So the best and brightest are really coming out this week and showing what they can do, huh? What I found is, well, if we can come to truth conclusions about this, what other kinds of truth conclusions can we come to, and how does that affect the way that we operate in the world?
Holy
right?
fuck, turn your lights off!
Versus a hardcore...
Turn them off! Turn your brights off! Holy shit! Oh, nice cutoff. Wait, he was in the right lane, wasn't he? Don't stop behind me.
And these kinds of things. But when it becomes a mandate, the man pays, that's when it starts to feel
really
problematic.
That's all left.
Is that a fair raise?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
But I definitely cannot do magic.
You can't see me from the waist down, but from the waist down.
Oh my god, yeah, I used to support like faith healing groups and stuff like that, so
speed limit's 55 here, man. Come on. 55. You should drive 55. And there's no place to pass this guy. He's only going 40-ish. Finally a straight stretch, and I can finally pass the guy. Ah. And of course everyone behind me is going to start to pass him too.
I gotta know this. What is a homeschool convention like? What do you do there? Do you just talk about homeschool curriculum?
Seriously, how close are you gonna get?
What do you?
How close are you gonna get? Seriously. All right, you got a clear shot. Pass me. Oh, now you back off. I don't get people. I really don't. Oh, Massole left. Massole. Red light run over there from the left. No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because, oh look, there happens to be a sign right there that says no trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. It's a construction zone and you couldn't have been there, but you moved over, so you're okay now, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.